Uproot the evils and nurture the good. This instruction of the Vedas should always be kept in mind. Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya. By taking advantage of the invaluable objectives given in the Vedas about truth, non-violence, forgiveness, kindness, generosity, benevolence, good behavior, organization, and cooperative life, every human can make his or her life successful. There is no doubt about it. Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya Ji. Book title Vedon Ka Divya Sandesh. What does this book contain on Vedas? This book summarizes some selected hymns of all the four Vedas in very simple language, which anyone can understand and get its in-depth messages. Its interpretation is in most simple form so that the messages of Veda is not restricted to any particular set of people. What can the readers gain from this book? By perusing through those hymns and their messages, the readers will know that Vedas are really a mine of gem of thoughts. By following these messages, one can get rid of the depravities and vices of life and can have a blissful life. How are the verses explained? The writer of this book studied the Vedic mantras and their original intention of coming into being, the main teachings and true principles behind these profound verses and mantras, and presented them in such a clear and simple form that every reader can feel the importance and benefit from those. What exactly do the Vedas consist of? Vedas are the books of worldly and transcendental knowledge. Although the language of Vedas is very ancient and obsolete, there is a difference of opinion among scholars regarding the meaning of these mantras. But no one can deny that it contains the highest level of spiritual principles, learning arts, and practical knowledge to live a better life. Although this knowledge has been given in a concise and formulaic form in one or two hymns, the reader cannot easily understand the meaning of these hymns. But on the basis of these hymns, scholars have composed great scriptures and texts of spiritual science which have been written for thousands of years, leading to the path of upliftment. What is the concept of Brahmin? Contrary to the popular belief, one does not become a Brahmin just by taking birth in a particular clan or caste. Excellence in qualities, deeds, nature, and dedication of his or her life for public interest makes him or her a Brahmin. Brahmins are those who spread spirituality and its true knowledge, which means making people aware of introspection, adopting good habits, keeping an eye on their shortcomings, analyzing and supervising own self to improve habits towards the betterment. Educating about culture in society is the prime responsibility of Brahmins, and not only just chanting mantras and performing the rituals. They have to be enshrined in the feeling of selflessness and should be kind and giving. Self-confidence is a synonym of divine power. To achieve the goal of one's life, one has to face difficulties and struggle continuously. One needs to fight with the evil tendencies and corruptions prevailing in the world. Strong willpower and desire are required to imbibe good attributes and honesty in life. Any success in life depends upon a person's willpower. Therefore, strong emphasis has been laid on the strength of will in the Ved mantras. Only with austerity, penance, hard work, and dedication can a person fulfill all his desires. Veda's messages say that to acquire knowledge and wealth through penance, for which we need strong willpower, confidence, and desire to achieve. Some experts from the book: to quarrel over different names of God is the biggest foolishness. Ekam Sadvipra Bahuda Vadanti. God is one, but is called by different names by scholarly people. Take any name of the God, but it is important to make His qualities, deeds, and nature as an integral part of our lives. The best individuals are those who consider doing good to others as part of their duty, without any selfishness. They themselves feel deeply pained when they see others in pain. Not only that, they get involved in finding solutions to the problems. They are counted as Dev Koti, divinely. Others are those who take care of their work and take care of others' work also. They are counted in the human category. There is a third category of Rakshasa Koti, demon type of people who are most selfish, just do their work but don't think anything good for others. They rather spoil others' work and harm others. The more a person has the feeling of doing favor to others, the more is the sense of humanity inside the person. They are efficacious in life. World peace is possible only through Vedas. It is the wish of the Vedas that friendship and universal brotherhood should spread among all the people of the world and strengthen their mutual affection and understanding. Because of boon of science, where human beings have come very close to each other, there is a lot of fear and doubt in their minds of destruction due to weapons, which is the curse of science. Unity can happen only when the mind and thoughts of people are one. This unity has been emphasized in the mantra of Vedas. Topics covered in the book: Brahmaratva, the characteristic of being a Brahmin; self-confidence, character building; elimination of evils, family and health.